And now a message from the President of the United States, George W. Bush.
Good morning. This week I'm enjoying my vacation, and according to what has been a tradition in recent years, my list of summer reading was announced. There are 3 books on the list: A Pig Can Jig, 6 Ducks in a Pond, and The Purple Turtle. You see, this summer I am learning to read. It will be a long, tough road, and it is impossible to say how long it will take, but I am looking forward to reading victory. New worlds of the head will open up for me. I have already laid the important groundwork by learning my letters. I learned those last summer, and reading words is the next logical course. I will then move on to full sentences. Once I can read for myself, I will be able to stand proud and be independent. I'll be prepared for life outside the White House once my term has ended, and I will finally be able to know what all those papers on my desk have written on them, without Vice President Dick Cheney reading them aloud to me. Although I think I will still have him read to me at bedtime to help me get to sleep. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.
For a complete archive of the President's weekly addresses, visit weeklyradioaddress.com.